Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have DOOGEE DK10 and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, open Settings application where we look for our Survey mobile network and their data warming and limit. First step, we can set when our size start, maybe first day of each month or what you prefer. There we can set data warming when we get it, after we use how many gigabytes or megabytes, what you prefer, maybe we set 2 gigabytes. And for press set, and by the switch we turn on our data limit, confirm by OK, and we can set it in the same story. Maybe we set 10 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching, bye!